You're all here because you deserve to be. You're beautiful and unique snowflakes.
Get over here!
Last time on Octodad. Alrighty. Hello and welcome back, friends and all who are watching. I am sick today, yes, but I will try to get as far as I can in this game. And waddle.
Thank you for visiting the Curry Aquatic Fun Center.
The Curry Aquatic Fun Center. Just wiggle on under that.
Exhibits are through the turnstile. Have a whale of a time.
Hey, get back as well.
Tee hee hee.
Something smells fishy. You always say that.
Ow. So marine biologists know when a fish when they see one, so I gotta stay out of sight, out of mind. Okay.
Tommy and Stacy are growing up so fast. Soon I'll need a bigger
Out
camera.
of sight, out of mind. Oh, sorry. Sorry, honey. I didn't mean to
Don't you just love marine
punch you
life?
in the crotch
Mom,
with
these
my foot.
fish are funny.
Oh, ah! Help! Help! Help!
Okay, kids, we'll meet back here in 2 hours.
Help me!
Heart's content. And learn well.
Move! Move! Alright, push,
I've got a little extra time.
push.
Think I'll check
Okay,
out the
wiggle,
rainforest.
wiggle. Let her through. Okay. Now let me out. Okay. Oh shit. I'm a ninja. Oh god, I am so sorry about the sniffles and everything, friends. Fellow villagers.
All right, let's go.
Oh, everybody just took off and I wasn't paying attention to where they were going. Son of a bitch. So Scarlet, Stacy, and Tommy. Let's find them. And yes, humans walk like that. World of Kelp. Looks like one of... Fuck your donation box. Or duck your donations. Yeah. Behold. Whoa. So, Tommy.
Aw, man, look at all this learning. Come on, Dad. Let's get through all this junk so we can get out of here.
Like father, like son.
The world of kelp. Travel the world of kelp.
Hey!
How fast
Shut
can you
up.
cross the world's kelp forest?
Grab that big globe and I'll get the quiz going. Come on, Dad. Stop being slow. Lunia! Red! Find him, Dad! Dad! Lemonaria is yellow! Hurry! Hit all three!
Liminaria.
Dad, spin the earth as hard as you can! Ecosystis is purple! Hurry, Dad! We need to get the best time!
We hope you've enjoyed your journey around the world of kelp.
Okay, thank you for the tea, lover. Oh, my kid just left. What if I go down this way instead of going through the forest? 'Cause it says kid. I'm kid. I'm Octo Kid. Whee! I never went this way before.
Dad, you gotta make a slide at home.
Take
that
the
long. That was great.
Tilted quiz. Come on, foot.
What are the roots that hold kelp to the ground? Tilt the slider to find out.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh man,
Oh.
this is just like that episode of Sports Johnson.
Sports Johnson! My foot keeps getting stuck in things. Yeah, but my foot's stuck. Cause... No, go that way so it gets unstuck. No, both of you are stuck now. Okay. Throw! Ha ha ha! Now let me out of here. There we go. Ha ha ha, I'm free. Grab the top of the kelp. What do you mean, over here?
What are the gas-filled bladders that help kelp float? Touch the top of the kelp to find out.
Ew. Kelp have gas bladders?
Help, help, help! What the hell? Kid! Oh, hold on. Daddy's messed up. There you go. Perfect! I'm a pretty king. What's this?
By the way, Dad,
Power of the sun wheel.
so fast, you could call it suck.
Come on, gotta go fast. Gotta go fast like Sonic. Sonic Puss.
Come on, run faster. SJ fast.
Sports Johnson fast.
What does this button do?
No. This kid just trapped me in here. Oh god.
Kelp release male and female spores to reproduce. Get a male and female spore into each seafloor soil plot.
Just bounce the spores into the soil plots.
Haha. I am.
Are there more kelp than people on
Yes.
Yeah.
Haha. Up. Aha. Cheating. The kid's gonna be super disappointed in me. Magnificat. Oh. Damn it. No, thank you. Okay.
Thank you, lady.
You'll thank me. He just pushed a Well, I guess I'm following my kid. Children and their legal guardians only. Well, who else would be here?
Sea urchins eat kelp.
Oh,
and
hey.
otters eat sea urchins. Use the otter to save kelp from urchin extinction.
Just try and protect those kelp, Dad. Incoming urchin.
No. He's a dick. He doesn't care about the environment.
Great. Well, looks like we're almost done here.
The hero they deserve. I've never... Yeah, I've never been to this part of the game. Huh.
Gotta pretend. You're you.
Ow.
And this is like
He keeps hitting me with stuff. Stop it, kid.
you think you can camp in a kelp forest?
No. I got this. No.
This is just like when Sports J entered the Intergalactic Olympics and Foosball Lord challenged him in an ultra climbing town. And Sports J is like,
No.
there are no climbing sports. These boys are like this.
He keeps hitting me with stuff. It's really annoying.
Just reverse skis up the mountain. Just reverse ski, Dad.
Just reverse ski, Dad. Fuck. I mean, frick.
Dad, you gotta be faster.
I am.
I've been training for a big
You and Sports Johnson both. Ah. Okay, okay, pick my foot. No.
Come on, Dad. Where's your sense of gravity? Did you grow up on the moon?
Haha, he's funny. Good idea. Crap baskets. Okay. Perfect. Thank you. He's just mad at me because I won't play soccer with him. He said it earlier in the episode. Ooh, gimme, gimme, gimme. Oh, crap. No. I got you, little turd. Get back here. Ooh, a slide.
Thank you for visiting the world of kelp. Please consider donating or buying kelp merchandise on your way out.
That was great, Dad. You think there's a science talk?
Sorry I'm not talking much in this video. I just, like I said a million times, shit. Whoa, the world of kelp is out of order. I broke the world of kelp. What is this?
You are now entering the deep ocean, home to many strange and mysterious creatures. Bear witness to their world of...
Daddy? Is that you?
Yes, Stacy dear.
How do I get out of here?
Move, child.
Dad, can you imagine if there were bugs all around?
Predators seek out the phosphorescent glow of their prey. Do you have what it takes to hunt in the darkness? I bet you don't.
Dad, if I get lost in here, don't find me. Good dancing, Dad. I tried to
It's
dance
DDR.
and hit my head. And my
It's DDR. Aha! Put a jellyfish on top of my head so I know where I'm at. Nope.
Wow! Mom told us you two used to go dancing, but I didn't know you had moves like those.
Give me all of the squiddies.
Come
No.
on, Dad, catch the little fishy. Catch it with your feet.
Oh, those are glowfishies. Come on, just gotta be fluid in the dancing. Dance like I've never danced before. Come on.
You attach the smaller
Congratulations, Hunter. You have what it takes. Now take a shake light and descend.
Take a shake light.
Jellyfish can live forever. Can you?
Hit. Come on, Stacy. We gotta go through the jellyfish.
Ooh, jelly. They make me feel like I'm wrapped up in a warm, cozy blanket made of jelly.
Yay, she's pressing stuff. Stop! Go! Get away from me!
Oh, she's right behind you because it's dark and scary. That's for a reason.
Sometimes I dream about swimming in the ocean and hearing something calling from deep below. Calling for me.
Yeah, calling.
It turns out to be a seahorse friend.
Damn, you can learn a lot from these. Stacy, dear, you're pulling Daddy's
Why
legs
is it
off.
so dark down here? Did a fuse blow?
Mama be holding my head. Oh no! Dad, it's one of those science men that you're afraid of. Give me the shaky light.
Here, sweetie. You take the shaky light.
Thanks, Dad.
Excuse me, little girl.
What?
That was the majestic hall
Thank
of
you, sweetie.
jellyfish. Were you entranced? I bet you were.
Did that scientist just take that?
No. What is what thing? Oh.
Hold on, Dad. I'm coming over to help.
Thank you, sweetie. But I can't see. Oh, okay, okay. Keep the light steady, dear.
Doesn't usually let me play around electrical sockets.
Okay. Need the red one to go under here.
The light is like ketchup. I gotta shake it out all over the floor.
Ugh.
Ketchup is red though.
All over the floor. Nailed it. Nailed it. Ah! Ah! Why? I don't want tape.
Are you sure that's
One.
where that goes, Dad?
Sweetie, keep the light still. Daddy can't see. Octodaddy is bad at vision and human stuff. Okay. Wiggle through it. Wiggle through. Oh.
I'm so disappointed with this thing.
I am tangled. Hold on. No. Okay. Freedom. Freedom. Ah, child.
Why does it have such big teeth?
Okay.
Now you like it as I, Dad. Blind him.
2.
Blind him. Dad, I think that fish is growling.
3. 1. The hell? Okay. That wasn't
Witness
creepy
the
at all.
amazingly
Oh.
cuddly Snugglefish. A stuffed Snugglefish toy makes a killer gift.
Ah, it was a snuggle fish.
What's wrong, Daddy? You sound like Mommy when she sees the house after eating breakfast. Lift your legs up high, Dad.
I got this. I'm a marathon runner. Ain't no escalator gonna stop me.
Careful up there. I'm not Tommy. I follow the rules.
I'm not Tommy. I follow the rules. Oh, jeez. Why are all the exit ones going down? You're like bad luck, kid. No, 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 no. I am, sweetie. I am. Daddy is. Daddy's also trying to cheese it. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go.
You gotta switch it over, right?
Thank you for visiting the deep ocean. Were you undelighted? I bet you weren't.
Time to dance and wait for her. Oh, she's ready.
Yeah, you missed it.
Dad, how do fish breathe underwater?
What is this? The Amazon arcade. Or
Hey, let's have a conversation. Well, we're alone without the kids for once. Honey, we should really talk. I thought the aquarium was more educational. I wonder what our lives will be like once our kids grow up and move away. Maybe we'll finally have time to travel.
Someday I'll be strong enough to do this.
okay. Ah! Give.
Okay, maybe that one's not for you.
It is for me. I'm an anaconda. Damn it. Come on. Come on. Come on, lay down with it.
That crane game is rigged.
These strange incidents keep happening and you brush them off like they're nothing. Like when your foot got caught in the ceiling fan, or when we ran out of printer ink and you just made more. And I keep buying you toothbrushes and then finding them in the trash.
No.
Wagoneel!
Aren't these in danger?
They will be when I'm through with them.
You got stuck. That's not fair. This isn't fair. Screw off, game. Give me another chance. This game is rigged. This game... Come on. Give me prizes. I knocked that one down. That's rigged. That shit. Grab it. You just throw my alligator to the side. You are.
There was that
Bee.
time you were fixing the sink and the disposal came on, but you wouldn't go to the hospital, yet somehow your arm looks good as new. Are you ever going to explain that?
Oh yes, yes. Octopus porn. Octopus prawn. Oh, yes. Let go. Gotta bring my wife gifts so she stops questioning my motives.
You love the ocean, but you seem to hate the aquarium. I don't think turtles can really do that.
I got this. I hit 20 fruit in 30 seconds. Come on, I'm halfway there. Oh, I'm halfway there. Whoa. I can't hit a pear. Damn it. Yes! Stop throwing the gifts on the floor. I worked hard for these.
After that bakery burned down, I had a lot of questions to answer.
Huh? Yes! I got a frog. Give me my frog. Here, Scarlet.
I've always wondered what you keep in that musty old basement, but I respect your privacy.
Hot. What is this? A lumberjack? Okay, one of my feetsies just... My bad. Stupid bitch should have been in my way. I bumped into that girl.
Height of the rainforest. I can catch a boat to the Amazon and take pictures of all the sad monkeys.
I save against DALP, yeah. Deforestation, I'm saving against it. You won't chop these forests as long as the chief has something to say with my wiggly arm. Give.
You're usually so talkative, but when we're talking about us, you clam up.
Aha, I clam up. It's because I'm a fish. This will be fair and square, mate. I'll get my feet on here and everything. Alright, you ready for this?
So you think you can beat old air hockey Matt at his own game, huh? Bring it.
Air hockey, Matt. You just spend all your time here. Where does your wife think you are right now, huh? Probably at like a strip club or something, but no, you're playing air hockey with an octopus dad. Son of a... Fuck you. Fuck you. And your weird hobby. You son of a bitch. Oh, that was just my alarm. Yes! Eat it.
For so long.
So... Sorry, Scarlet. I'm just excited because this...
No, the tank is
Oh
full
no.
of leak. My
Oh
end
no.
is full. Why don't you try to fix that instead?
Oh no, oh no, oh no. Plug the leaky tank. Give me one of these then. Let go. Give me one of these. Give me one of these. Now. And now I got...
Here, use these. don't
I
want them.
just...
Honey, be careful. Don't drown.
Don't drown. Silly. I have piranha all over me. Sure hurts. Hey, a Fran is playing Gary's mod. Stop. 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 Stop.
Well, I have wasted enough time here. I've got work to do. When you feel like having a real discussion, find me at the Shark Tank.
Meet me by the Shark Tank. Okay, well, it looks like I'm going to stop this episode here after helping Stacy. Thank you for watching if you did all the way through, and I'll catch you near the Shark Tank.